everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make wakame salad. Japanese people eat a lot of different types of seaweed, and wakame seaweed is I think the most popular one. It contains a lot of fiber, so it cleanses your body. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this wakame salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 20 grams of dried wakame seaweed, cucumber, onion. I want to add a little bit of protein, so I have some crab sticks today, but this is optional. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1 tablespoon ponzu sauce, and a little bit of garlic paste. At first, I'm going to rehydrate the wakame seaweed. Wakame seaweed is small bits like this when it's dry, but when it's rehydrated, it's spread out. So make sure to prepare plenty of water to rehydrate. Wakame seaweed into the bowl, and plenty of water, just a cold plain water. And just let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Next is vegetable cutting. So onion first. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. And I want to make it into very thin slices, so let's use vegetable slicer. It's thin like a paper. Release the onion in cold water for 10 minutes to remove the pungency. And cucumber, cut both ends off. Cut it into half long way. Then slice diagonally. All the ingredients are ready, so let's make the dressing. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce, a little bit of garlic paste, and give it a mix. Wakame seaweed is now rehydrated, so let's squeeze it really well and put it into the bowl. Same for the onion. Squeeze it well and put it into the bowl. So take some, squeeze it really well. Then into the bowl. Cucumber, crab sticks as you shred it, give it a good mix. Serve in the bowl. some sesame seeds if you like. And wakame salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。I love the texture of wakame seaweed, and the little bit of garlic in the dressing is doing great work. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Wakame salad is the side, so it goes here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Because the salad is light and healthy, I think it can go a little heavy for the main. So how about sweet chili chicken? Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!